Benefits of turmeric. 1. Reducing inflammation. Turmeric contains curcumin, which has anti-inflammatory properties that can help reduce inflammation in the body. 2. Improving memory. Curcumin has been shown to improve memory performance in adults without dementia. 3. Lessening pain. Turmeric extract could potentially reduce pain from osteoarthritis. Benefits of saffron. 1. Powerful antioxidant. Saffron contains several plant compounds that act as antioxidants, which can help protect your cells against oxidative stress and free radicals. 2. Mood booster. Saffron has been shown to have antidepressant properties and may help improve mood and treat symptoms of mild to moderate depression. 3. Improving memory. Saffron has been used traditionally to improve memory and cognitive function. Ingredients: turmeric, saffron,